Hey, welcome back to Hollow Point Defense. This is the Smith & Wesson Carry Comp, the metal version. This is the one with the new Tyrant CNC trigger. And I'm going to run, there's like 12 rounds with this new trigger. I'm going to run these one at a time, and then we'll move to another mag. Here we go. Let me get everything turned on. There we go. Looks good. We're going to run a 12 round mag. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dump this one as quick as I can to make sure this trigger works really nice. So far I'm liking it. Here we go. Not a problem. We are going to move over to the Carry Compact. This is a poly frame with the same trigger on it right here, the Tyrant CNC. We'll do one at a time. Let me turn everything on. Here we go. Oh, that's way too bright of a red dot. There we go. Here we go. Oops, let me load the damn thing. Here we go. Looks good. I have a 12 round mag here. We're just going to dump it. Make sure everything works really good. Here we go. Great. Works really good. So I have a 10 rounder here. And that'll do it for this one. We'll do a different video for that stuff. But there you go. Those Tyrant CNC triggers work really nice. Go get you one. They work great in the metal or the poly. Take care, guys.